Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw an architectural element. This this projected part, and this window. First, we're going to do, if you are in the site, we're going to do eye measurements. But now, because I'm drawing from a photo, I'm going to use the pencil directly on the photo. To do eye measurements in the site, you have to stand in a fixed position. You cannot remeasure when you change your position. You have to stand in the same place and extend your arm to the maximum and start measuring using a pencil. Actually, we do not measure real measurements like centimeters or meters. No, we just find relations between different sides. For example, in this part, I'm going to measure the width of the object and then start relating this width to the height. So it's like 1, 2, and 2.1 of the width. So in the drawing, I will start to place the object. For example, I'm going to place it in this part and start measuring this one. Let's assume this is the width. I'm going to measure the width here and start taking 1, 2, and as we stated, it's like 2.1. So after drawing the width and the length, I'm going to start observing the relationship between different lines. For example, I'm going to make like a a horizontal axe, and then I will try to observe the lines. This line is going downward, and this angle is smaller than this one. So in my drawing, this is the horizontal axe, and I'm going to see where is this point on this one, if it's projected in this part. It's very small, so it's like here. So I'm going to take another line. Again, I'm going to see this line. Also, if I do like a horizontal working line, actually these lines, all of these lines are going to vanish to just one point. But in this case, if you see like this, they're all going to some certain point. In this case, the point is too far away from the drawing in front of me, so I cannot place it here. It's just to know that these lines are not parallel to each others. If you try to test it, they're not parallel to each others. In the case of isometric drawing technique, lines in this case will be parallel to each others. Okay, after finishing drawing this part, outlines of this part, my eyes observed a mistake, which is that this side is shorter than this, and that's why we use H at the beginning, and any type of H, and the lowest hand pressure you can ever use, because while you're drawing you will discover some mistakes, and using the H and lighter lines will allow you to add harder ones. But if you use an eraser, you will again repeat the same mistakes you did, and you will not be able to find the right solution. So I will again recheck for what I did. The other side, which is, if compared to this one, it's like quarter. Now I will check the position of the window. So if this is 1, This is almost one, so it's at the middle. Then I'm going to see the window, the relation of this line to the empty part. Okay, it's like divided into 3 parts. Now I will notice that there is a diagonal part, because in this drawing or in this photo, the person stands downward and you're looking upward. So this surface and this one do not appear to the person, but you can see easily these surfaces. So I'm going to take a very small diagonal part. And then I will start hatching using the lighter tones and moving gradually to the darker ones.